What's up, guys? How long did I run?
About 200 meters to his house to grab you and to show you. So this is part 2 of with
Birdie.
baby bird.
Okay.
And so this is the releasing. So basically we brought him back to where we found him, and
Just so
if-
we can. But if he
doesn't stand, we're gonna actually stay here for about like 10, maybe 20 minutes, just to make sure that he's gonna be okay. And then
Because in
what we're gonna
Australia-
do, because there are a lot of snakes here, and we don't want him to be
And
eaten.
plus, like a day ago, we saw a big goanna. So.
See, look, now he's standing up. He's standing.
up.
He's trying to stand up.
And
Try and tip the box over so he can. Wow!
Jesus.
He finally.
Jesus Christ.
He's getting a bit
Oi, 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 oi.
territorial.
So he's
I think he's getting a bit territorial.
no.
Yeah, bro.
But basically, so if he doesn't Jesus, if he doesn't stand in that time and like at least try and get away.
I think he's trying to get away.
Wait,
Open the box.
So I'm gonna open up this box and I'm gonna take him out.
Just try and flip him over.
No.
No, like flip the box
I don't want
over.
to, like, Jesus Christ.
Sorry, the Catholic
so
people that are
we're gonna
watching.
have
What does that mean?
to- and
No, because we're using the God's name and rain.
Real. I
And they
didn't
say
know that.
Jesus Christ. You're using the God's name and rain.
Oh, sorry.
If
If you're Christian.
Sorry, guys.
Okay.
If you're actually any religious person.
Yeah. Sorry.
This is him.
That's the
Bye-bye,
baby
man.
bird. And there's like annoying plover over there.
Just chuck it
So-
in the open just so I can.
Are we just gonna leave the box here, or?
Oh no,
We found him on the branch.
yeah, just
So-
stand in there.
Yeah. Try and fly now. Yes! Whoa, he is really light.
Yeah,
He's on like a little baby ship.
Look at that.
oh, look at it, he's bobbing. I bet you he's saying, thanks guys. You're real nice for looking after me about like for 2 hours.
Actually, like, how long?
So we've had him actually for like basically the whole day, but
We found out.
oh, here we go. He's getting
Yay.
higher. So hopefully,
He makes it up there.
Up to his little nest.
Yeah.
To see his mum
Oh,
and dad.
his wing's stuck.
Oh!
I'm gonna.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
that's better.
It was just his
Yeah,
feathers.
come on.
Thank God, it was just his
Yeah,
feathers.
little buddy.
So,
Come on, bud. You can do it. Right, let's go. We'll take our little spot and.
he's
Let's
done
just
it.
watch. Let's still watch.
He can walk, he can stand up, and he can fly.
He's
That's
our
the
little
best.
chick. We said,
God bless you.
God bless you.
You on your journey through
Jeez.
life.
He's a pretty little bird. Like this
We're
is.
proud parents.
We're proud parents.
Yeah,
We're proud
We're not
parents.
gay.
We're not
No,
gay.
no.
Yeah, we're not gay.
As you
God
know, I
bless
have a
you.
girlfriend.
On your journey through life.
That's
Praise
Nato.
honor. Everybody, if you subscribe.
Also, subscribe to my channel. I'm posting my first video probably tomorrow.
And his name is Matt Dowman
Design.
with an E.
With
not
an E.
I.
It's an E. I put an E.
So, see you guys. Hope you enjoyed. We really had a good experience with this bird.
It was pretty fun, like trying to like save it from the
Now
wild.
look how
Yeah.
close I am.
So Nate's getting really close and not personal. You know. It'd be really funny if the bird
So
flew his head.
please like and subscribe and
And,
comment when you're pushing notifications on. So see ya.